How to sign in into Liberty Bank mobile application on iPhone. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded Liberty Bank application from your App Store. Now let's open the app. Now over here you come to the home page of Liberty Bank. You have to add your username. Just type your username that you have been using for Liberty Bank account. Now accordingly enter your password here. Now in case you have forgotten your password, just tap on Forgot Username or Password just below the login option. Now tap on Forgot Username if you have forgotten your username or your password. Then bank will give you instructions on how you can recover your account. Now in case you are new and you haven't created your account, just tap on New Customer Enrollment. Just wait for it while the page loads. Now over here you can see two options: register my individual account or register my bank account. You can choose any of it and create your account accordingly. So that was all for today, and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.